How to turn off age restriction on YouTube. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your YouTube and make sure that you have a latest version. Once you are on your YouTube, just click on your profile icon at the very top and proceed to your settings. And then you have to go to the general at the very top, and then scroll down until you find here the restricted mode. You can see the restricted mode at the very top of your screen. You can switch off restricted mode here. If your restricted mode is switched off but still you are facing the problem, the age restriction on your videos, just go to your profile icon again and then click on manage your account. Now just wait, and in your personal information on your Google account you can fix this problem. Now go to the personal information and scroll down until you find here your birthday. If you have entered your wrong birthday, if your age is less than 18, you are facing the problem of age restriction on YouTube. Make sure that you are not under 18. Just enter the fixed date and then you can easily fix this problem. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.